Hello everyone and welcome back to English Flow channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello, everyone. It's so good to be here again. I'm David. How are you today, Anna?
I am great, David. I had my breakfast, my coffee, and I am ready to talk. How about you?
I'm very good too, thank you. I feel positive and full of energy. Today we have a big and important topic to talk about.
Oh, I love big topics. What is it about?
Today's topic is don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Ooh, that sounds powerful, David. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. I like it already.
Yes, it's powerful and true. It's about motivation, discipline, and finishing what you start.
I love that. It's so important for learning English and really for anything in life.
Exactly. For English, for work, for exercise, even for cleaning your house.
Oh yes, cleaning the house. That is a big one.
Before we start, we want to say thank you to everyone watching English Flow channel.
Yes, we are so happy you are here. And if you like this podcast, please take 1 second, click like, and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. A like helps the video and subscribing helps you, so you don't miss any new lessons.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends or family who also want to learn English in a fun way.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Anna, let's get started. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Yes, let's start with tired. What does tired mean, David?
Tired means my body is slow. My eyes are sleepy. I want my bed or my pillow. It's when I don't want to do anything.
Perfect description. You want to rest, maybe drink tea, and watch TV.
Exactly. And done. What does that mean?
Done means finished, complete. The job is over.
Yes. For example, my homework is done, my dinner is done, my work is done. Done means you can relax with peace.
So the message is clear. Don't stop when you feel sleepy or lazy. Stop when the work is finished.
That's right. But it's not easy, right?
No, it's not easy at all. Our brains say, I'm tired. Stop now.
Exactly. But that's when progress happens. When we continue even if we are tired. Let's think about learning English.
Okay. Yes, learning English is a long journey. It's not fast.
No, it takes time, patience, and practice. Every day, a little progress.
That's true. Sometimes I read an English book, 1 page, 2 pages, and then my brain says, enough.
Yes! Or you listen to a podcast and after 10 minutes your brain feels full.
Yes, I want to stop and watch something in my own language.
But that's the moment when you must continue, even just for 5 more minutes.
5 minutes sounds possible. I can do that.
Exactly. The trick is not to make your goal too big. If your goal is, I will study English for 3 hours, it feels impossible.
Yes, 3 hours? No way. I'd fall asleep.
But if you say, I will study for 10 minutes, that's easy. You can do 10 minutes even when you're tired.
That's smart. So I can start small. 10 minutes, or maybe read 2 pages.
Yes. And when you finish those 10 minutes, you feel good. You feel proud.
That's true. When I finish something, even something small, I always feel happy.
Exactly. You feel tired but happy. Not tired and sad.
I like that. Tired and happy.
Me too. Tired and happy is a great feeling.
Okay, let's use another example. Exercise.
Oh, good one. Do you like to exercise, Anna?
I like to walk. Walking is my favorite exercise.
Nice! Walking is great for the body and the mind.
Yes, I usually walk in the park. My plan is to walk for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. That's perfect.
Yes, so I start walking. 5 minutes? Easy. 10 minutes? I feel good. 15 minutes? I start to feel tired. My legs are heavy.
And you see a bench, right?
Yes, the bench calls my name. Anna, sit down. Rest.
Ha ha ha, I know that feeling. So what do you do?
I think about this topic. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. My goal is 30 minutes, not 15.
Exactly. You're not done yet. Maybe you can walk slower, but don't stop.
Yes, I walk slower. One step, then another. 20 minutes, 25 minutes, almost there.
And finally, 30 minutes. You did it.
Yes, I'm tired, but I'm done.
And how do you feel?
I feel tired, but strong, proud, and happy.
That's the magic. Tired and proud, that's the goal.
I love that. It's not about perfection. It's about finishing.
Exactly. Let's take another example. Cleaning the kitchen.
Oh no, not the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen. After dinner, I'm full and sleepy. I look at the plates, the glasses, the pots, and I want to say, tomorrow.
Ah, the dangerous word. Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow sounds nice, but it's a trap.
Ha ha ha. True, because when you wake up, the kitchen is still dirty.
Yes, and then you start your day feeling sad.
Exactly. But if you clean now, you go to bed tired but happy.
Yes. The next morning the kitchen is clean and you feel proud.
That's right. Hard now, easy later. Easy now, hard later.
Oh, I like that. Hard now, easy later.
It's true for everything. Studying, exercising, cleaning, working.
Yes. And when you choose hard now, you get the best reward. Peace of mind.
Peace of mind. That's a nice expression.
Yes, it means you feel calm and proud because you did what you needed to do.
That's a wonderful feeling.
Let's talk about why it's so hard to keep going when we're tired.
Maybe because our brain likes comfort.
Yes, exactly. The brain says, rest now, be comfortable.
The sofa, the bed, the phone, they all say, come to me.
Haha, yes, but comfort now means no progress.
And progress is the key. Progress means getting better, moving forward.
Yes. For example, progress is learning 5 new English words today,
Or reading one English story.
or watching one English video and understanding more than yesterday.
Exactly. Those are small wins, small steps, big progress.
I like that. Small steps make big progress.
Yes, that's how we grow.
So, when I'm tired, what can I do to keep going?
Good question. There are 3 secrets.
Ooh, I like secrets. Tell me.
Secret number 1. Remember your goal. Why did you start?
Okay, I started learning English because I want to travel and meet new people.
Perfect. So when you are tired, don't think, I want to stop. Think, I want to travel.
That's good motivation.
Secret number 2. Make small steps. Don't say, I must study all night. Say, I will study for 10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes is easy. I can always find 10 minutes.
Exactly. And when you finish, you will feel proud.
And maybe after 10 minutes, I can do 5 more.
Yes, small steps often become big steps.
That's great. Okay, what's secret number 3?
Secret number 3. Give yourself a prize.
A prize. I love prizes.
Me too. The prize comes after the work. For example, I finish studying, then I drink my favorite tea.
Nice! I finish my English practice, then I watch a short TV show.
Perfect. The prize makes your brain happy and helps you continue next time.
That's true. So the prize is not before the work, it's after.
Exactly. A rest is a prize, not an excuse.
I love that. Rest is a prize.
So, to review, remember the goal, take small steps, and enjoy your prize.
That's a great system, Anna.
It works for everything: learning English, working, even life goals.
Yes. And for everyone listening, you can do this too.
Yes, you can. Learning English takes time, but every small step counts.
If you are tired today, that's okay. Just do something small. Read a few lines, learn 2 new words, listen to 1 short video.
Yes, just one small action. It all adds up.
And when you're done, celebrate. Say to yourself, I did it.
Yes, feel proud of your progress, even if it's small.
Because small progress every day becomes big success over time.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent.
That's a great message.
And remember, if you enjoyed this conversation, click like and subscribe to English Flow channel.
Yes, because every week we have new, simple and fun English lessons just for you.
And in the comments, tell us one small goal you will finish today.
Yes! Maybe you'll finish 1 English lesson or listen to 1 English song.
Or maybe clean your kitchen.
Haha, yes, or go for that walk.
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy to see your progress.
Yes, you are all doing a great job. Keep going. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Work now, happy later.
Exactly.
Well, David, this was a wonderful talk. I feel ready to study more English.
And I feel ready to go for a walk.
Perfect. Everyone, thank you so much for watching and learning with us today.
Yes, thank you for being part of English Flow channel. Remember, small steps, big progress.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep going and keep your English flowing.